Hey guys, Michael here again, just sort of explaining 3 benefits as to why pipe relining would be sufficient as opposed to digging up the lines. Give you a classic example in this driveway right here. The lines run underneath this driveway here. So if we were to dig this entire section of driveway up, we'd need excavators and concrete cutters and jackhammers. And this is completely unnecessary right now when we've got technology like pipe relining, which means that we can repair this line underneath this driveway here without having to dig up the entire pathway and also limit the access for the tenants inside and out while we get the driveway repaired. The fact that we don't have to take any risks damaging any underground services. So if we needed excavators and large machinery in here excavating, you're taking risks that you're going to damage electrical lines and phone lines and water and gas, and quite simply we don't need to do that anymore when we have state-of-the-art technology like pipe relining. And one of the biggest factors I think that customers prefer to go with pipe relining as opposed to excavating and digging up is the cost. But can you imagine that we needed to dig up and repair this entire driveway once the repairs had been completed? We'll be saving the customers on average 40 to 50% on their costs of repair each and every time a pipe reline is completed. Any other questions, please phone one of our staff or email us for any further information.